Starting our rib stitch little tutorial with a row of chain stitch. I've done a chain stitch, one turning chain, and then I did one row of single crochet. That's just standard single crochet. Right, so to do rib stitch, chain one to get to our next row. Now I'm going to be working through the back loops only. So to show you, the back loop is that loop of the stitch there. Okay, and that's what it means by stitching into back loop only. So it's a standard single crochet stitch, but just going through the one loop. Okay, so when we finished our row, you'll already see your first ridge has formed there. So we're going to do a turning chain, and then again we go into our back loop only. And that's our crochet rib. As you can see, it makes a nice stretchy band that you can use for the edge of a beanie or on the top of leg warmers, or anywhere where you want a nice bit of stretch to your crochet. I hope you enjoyed today's little tutorial on rib stitch. Join me for the next tutorial, which will be on increase and how to decrease your stitches. Bye for now. Thank you.